Hello, it's Leslie here. Christmas is coming. The goose is getting fat. Are you? This is the question. Well, I have a 3-step plan which is going to help you through the Christmas season and not have to worry about getting fat. But first, remember, subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bell so that I can give you more tips throughout the month leading up to Christmas. Right, so getting back to the 3-step plan. Number 1 is have a plan. I would suggest that you have a plan that helps with your weight loss and weight control long term. I personally lost 21 pounds, 4 inches from my waist and 3 inches from my tummy and my hips. It may not seem like a lot, but when you consider I've kept it off for 33 years and through 33 Christmases, birthdays, parties, and just life in general. So have a plan. That's number 1. And my plan involves nutrition, Herbalife Nutrition, in fact. And with Herbalife Nutrition, the nutritional support is so good and so delicious and so easy to do that when you start on this program, not only do you feel less hungry, but also you will lose the unnecessary fat on your body. So if you start in time, run up 21 days till Christmas, we can actually help you with a support program that gets you starting to lose weight easily and quickly running up to Christmas. Number 2, have a support group or buddy or friend or community. Doing it on your own is always a little bit difficult. And if you haven't got a supportive friend or partner, well, we've got something that can help you too, because I've got this great community of friendly, helpful people who are on the same journey as you. It's on Facebook, WhatsApp and Telegram, and we all talk to each other every single day and show each other what we're doing and help each other with our meals and our nutritional supplements and our snacking and our hot drinks. So there's so many ideas and things to keep you going throughout the day. And then number 3, what to actually eat over Christmas, the whole Christmas season. Well, again, what we do is we teach you the kind of choices to make, the right kind of foods to eat, the kind of foods that you can swap out, and don't you even think for a minute that you're going to miss out on all the goodies of Christmas, because we've got the yummiest recipes and snack ideas that are easy to make, quite inexpensive, much better for you than all the stuff that you're going to load up with in the supermarket trolleys. I'm telling you, when you come across some of these yummy snacks that we have, and I'm talking healthy cheesecake, healthy chocolate treats, and literally something that you can knock up at home with the kids with a bit of fun, on your own, whatever you want to do, and you will find that these tricks and ideas will not only serve you for Christmas, but for long term. So as I said before, I actually lost weight over 33 years ago. And every single Christmas, it actually gets easier. I don't have that dread of, oh, it's December. Now I can see what's going to happen. I'm just going to pile on the pounds. And then when Christmas Day comes along, it's like, oh, well, here we go. I might as well just enjoy it and have a pig out. And you don't feel good about yourself, and you have to start all over again at the new year and think, oh, why did I do that again? Well, I never have that problem anymore. I did, so I know exactly how you feel. But since I've found Herbalife Nutrition, it has liberated me for the last 33 Christmases. So drop me a line. My contact details will be down here in the comments and description section. And if you haven't already got a Herbalife Nutrition coach, I'll be more than happy to support you through this Christmas season and beyond. But give it a try for the next 21 days. We have a 21-day challenge running right now. So this is a really good time to get yourself going on this. And you'll be so glad you did, because not only will it sort out your Christmas and your worries, but it will sort out your long-term weight control possibilities as well. So I can do it. Why not you?